Here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, Michelle, when we're looking at the Doppler behind us, it looks like the green's starting to thin out a little bit, is it?
Well, at least that real soaking heavy rain that we had overnight and this morning has moved on, but we're not through with the rain completely just yet. And in fact, I think we'll see at times some more moderate rain into the evening and the overnight hours. But live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar certainly has eased up, so it's a good time if you want to run out to your car and grab some lunch. Up 95 and 195, we are still seeing at times some light rain falling through Ocean Grove, Somerset, Barrington, and East Providence, and around Pawtucket and Attleboro, some light rain. We're seeing more of it at western Rhode Island as well. But again, the heaviest of it has lifted up to the north and east for now, moving up through the Boston area. But we did pick up some significant rain, about 2.5 inches in Westerly, almost 2.5 inches in Providence already. Smithfield at about 2 inches, and same for Newport. We're about 1.5 inches in New Bedford. And I think we'll see another 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain potentially through the rest of the day and into tonight. And that's why the National Weather Service still has us under a flood warning for not only our rivers, but also smaller streams, some street flooding, and poor drainage flooding. Again, the latest information on the Patuxent River, a flood warning now. Now, the warning is issued when flooding is occurring or is imminent. And right now we're in that imminent stage because we're approaching flood stage at last check. Minor flooding of the river expected to begin this afternoon. We again are not expecting the extensive and severe flooding that we had last week, but minor flooding expected around the riverbanks in Warwick, West Warwick, and Cranston. Then as we head up towards the Blackstone River, Woonsocket, Cumberland, flood watch here at last check about 5.5 feet for the flood stage, and the flood stage is at 9 feet. So the forecast is for the Blackstone River to almost get to 9 feet, but be just under that. So not expecting any even minor flooding at the Blackstone with the way things are looking right now. CityCam over Providence, gray, dreary, damp. Humidity is high. Winds have picked up a little bit, and the temperatures really haven't budged since early this morning. We are still in the mid and upper 40s, and we may hit 50 degrees in our inland areas for a high today. But Robert and Fall River, just under 2 inches of rain. We picked up about 2 from Brad and Cumberland, and Kelly in Westport at about 1.5 inches. She says it's eased up for now, but still seeing at times some light rain. 43 in Smithfield right now, 48 degrees in Providence. Here's satellite and radar showing all that heavy rain lifting up, but notice there's more showers developing south of Long Island, New Jersey. All of this is going to rotate through. So as these dual storm systems pass near and over us, we are going to continue with the threat of more wet weather. Futurecast shows us a little bit of a lull in the early part of the afternoon, and then watch as we approach the evening commute. It fills back in. Now, any yellows and oranges indicate some heavier rainfall at times, so it may coincide with part of the ride home from work and school today. At 11:30 at night, more rain. Now it starts to wind down once again as we approach dawn tomorrow morning. The last of the showers moving out in the early morning, and we should be dry with some clearing and some sunshine returning for Wednesday afternoon. This afternoon, again, 40s to around 50 degrees for highs. Along the south coast, close to 50 in Newport, about 48 in Coventry. Northern Rhode Island, 45 for Burrillville. Winds will start to shift direction, a sign that those storm systems are passing by us. 50 in Chatham. Rain is likely. New Bedford at about 51. So the rain and the winds start to pick up in the overnight hours. It's going to be a windy day on Wednesday, but any showers fall very early in the morning. The majority of Wednesday looks dry, clearing skies, and a little bit milder at 54 degrees. Thursday still looks dry during the day at 58, but it looks like we may see some more rain showers for Thursday night into early Friday morning, followed by a very chilly but dry weekend. So more rain this evening and tonight, and then that storm system moves on with minor flooding of the Patuxent.
All right, worst of the rain is over. Now we just got to keep an eye on those rivers.
Exactly.
All right, thanks, Michelle.